Hi guys, welcome to my CMC project progress presentation. I started looking at hybrid cloud solutions for young startup companies to see if this is the correct way a company should go, if it's viable and a good solution, and also see if this is a solution for the wider AEC sector in Ireland. First of all, I'd like to do a survey to see what the current understanding is of cloud solutions generally, to see what cloud providers are out there and solutions that are tailored for the AC market, to compare private cloud versus hybrid cloud, to see if BIM in relation to cloud computing is something that does work, implementation of a cloud-based solution, what are the problems associated with this, also the networking requirements with a cloud solution, especially if it's a local cloud or a private cloud, the costs of all these bits and pieces, if it's actually viable to do this, and the future developments, whether 2.0 is as far as cloud computing will go, or if 3.0 is on the horizon and should we wait for that. So first of all, I'd like to see if SaaS, PaaS and IaaS, software as a service, platform as a service and infrastructure as a service is understood generally. Who currently uses cloud and what services? Do they use Dropbox, Google Docs or such? What are the perceived concerns with cloud? What are they worried about? What would stop them implementing the service? There seems to be current providers are large players, Amazon, Salesforce, two massive companies, and also Autodesk seem to be getting into this with Project Vastery and Project Flow2Fly in their Autodesk labs. I like to see the benefits associated with a private cloud. There seems to be some very important ones: security control, reduction in IT costs and reduction in software costs, and also flexibility of location. There's also negatives. There's re-education, also legacy issues, ongoing in-house IT requirements, and there's a large upfront capital cost to have a private cloud. The benefits of full cloud: you're entrusting security to someone else, but that could be a good thing. You don't have to worry about your systems upgrading, updating. There's also flexibility of service and scalability of a service. So if your business grows, you can ask for more horsepower in terms of processor speed, better connections and larger storage. So the negatives of full cloud is you're heavily reliant on networks and latency. It's limited on-site use due to the current 3G networks. You have to entrust the service provider for security. It's harder to control and migrate data. Also, AC workstation requirements may not be supported. A lot of the current cloud solutions are very light and they wouldn't really benefit someone that's doing a lot of number crunching, like a renderer or something like that. But generally all the solutions seem to be a move in the right direction. So cloud computing in relation to BIM, we've just previously done a BIM module and we can see the benefits of BIM, definitely. The implementation of a cloud-based solution, this is quite important. Is it practical? How much will it cost? What are the problems associated? Networking requirements, this cloud-based solution seems to be based directly on the network infrastructure that we don't seem to have in Ireland. Maybe some other countries we don't have it here as yet. Cost appraisal, is this a logical way to go to implement this at this time? Should we be doing it or should we wait? Future developments with Web 3.0, should we just wait for this to come along? Will it ever come along? Is 2.0 what is the limits of web technology, and drawing conclusions from that. So I hope you found this interesting, and yeah, there you go.